Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your WhatsApp conversations more efficiently. Today, we're going to cover a simple yet essential feature: how to unpin a message in WhatsApp. This feature allows you to keep important messages at the top of your chat for easy access, but sometimes you might want to remove them. Let's dive into the steps to unpin a message. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. This is where all your conversations are stored, and it's where you'll find the pinned messages you want to manage. Once you're in the app, navigate to the specific chat where you have a pinned message. You'll notice the pinned message is displayed prominently at the top of the chat window. Now tap on the pinned message area at the top. This will highlight the message and prepare it for editing. Next, choose the specific pinned message you want to unpin and long tap on it. This action will select the message and give you options to manage it further. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 dots representing a menu. Tap on these dots to open the menu options related to the message. From this menu, you'll see several actions you can take on the message, including the option to unpin it. Finally, tap on the Unpin option from the menu. This will remove the message from its pinned position at the top of the chat, allowing it to return to its original place in the conversation based on when it was sent. This is a great way to declutter your chats and keep only the most relevant information at the top. Unpinning messages is a straightforward process that helps you keep your WhatsApp conversations organized and focused on what matters most. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your pinned messages and ensure that your chats remain tidy and easy to navigate. Whether you're using WhatsApp for personal or professional purposes, mastering this feature will enhance your overall experience with the app. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.